Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again to our channel. Today we will discuss an important and pressing topics related to urban and regional planning. It is about climate change and global warming and their impact on our lives. So, climate change and global warming are very serious issues today. Climate change and global warming, as we know, have very big impact and will affect many things because all elements in this world are interconnected. So even small changes in this world can affect many things. This phenomenon does not only impact one aspect, but touch various aspects of human lives. First, I will mention about changes in land masses. Changes in land mass, climate change can cause fault areas to experience large earthquakes. This change can occur due to continuous land shift due to human activities and climate change. Desert areas such as Arabia, which are initially barren, then become green areas with lots of vegetation and water loads on the surface, can experience large earthquakes due to the changing pressures. Second, water and air circulation. Weather changes can disrupt and even stop the circulation of high to low pressure air in this earth. This will result in an increase in the frequency of storms and heat waves. They will become more frequently in the next near future, causing damage and risk more to human lives. Third, fertile areas change to dry areas. Areas that were initially fertile and had lots of water today can turn dry, causing the soil to become porous and large holes or sinkholes will appear. This will disrupt agriculture and water sources and also pose risk to building infrastructure and also for human lives. Fourth, rising sea levels. Melting ice at the poles cause sea levels to rise and changes in sea water masses. This results in changes in salt levels and water temperature, killing many marine animals. Apart from that, many lands and islands, such as Indonesia, will sink and affect human and communities in the shore. Apart from that, climate change will also increase the frequency and intensity of other natural disasters, such as floods, droughts, and forest fires. All of this has a direct impact on human lives and also the ecosystem. Increasingly extreme weather will also affect agriculture, reducing crop yields and increasing the risk of famine. So, what is the role of spatial planning expert in overcoming climate change and global warming and their impact? The role of spatial planning expert is very important in overcoming climate change and global warming. Analysis and design from spatial planning expert have an important role in mitigating and adapting to climate change. They can plan for sustainable land use. It is about how avoid development in disaster-prone areas and plan the development of green infrastructure that can absorb and manage rainwater and reduce the risk of flooding. Also, managing land use efficiently, which will be able to reduce the risk of natural disaster for human life. The second thing is spatial planning expert can create policies that support renewable energy. This will encourage the use of renewable energy such as solar and wind power and plan areas that support the development of this energy. They will also develop sustainable and environmentally friendly development policies for creating support renewable energy. The third is develop adaptation strategies. This will designing cities and settlements that are adaptive and resilient to climate change, such as increasing green open areas, green open spaces, and improving drainage system to reduce the risk of floods and drought. Also designing infrastructure that is resistant to extreme weather changes. Another thing is increasing green space to absorb carbon emissions and reduce environmental temperatures as well. Fourth, they will promote awareness and education. Spatial planning experts need to educate stakeholders and the public communities about the importance of protecting the environment. Fifth, it will need to prepare an evacuation and rescue plan, which is develop effective evacuation plans to deal with natural disaster, as well as develop an early warning system that can provide a quick information to the public. So, climate change and global warming really do pose big challenges for all of us. But however, with the active role of spatial planning experts and cooperation from all levels of society and stakeholders, we can overcome and adapt to these changes. We all have a role to play in confronting climate change. By working together and taking a concrete action, the real action, we can protect the planet, this earth, and also our future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more informative and educational content. Thank you. See you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.